Book Magic India, Private Limited.
Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you are happy and healthy at your home. This is your mentor Nisha Gola, and today with me we will start our new chapter, chapter number 12, and the name of the chapter is Money. Okay, so here we have a communication between teacher and student. Here, teacher entered in the classroom and student said, "Good morning, ma'am," and then teacher replied, "Good morning, children." Then teacher asked to students, all of you know the importance of money. Every day you and your family buy something using money. And then student replied, yes ma'am. Okay. So here teacher asked to the student, look at the picture. Deepak went to a shop to buy pencils and notebooks for himself. टीचर बोलती है कि ये पिक्चर को देखो, इसमें जो ये बॉय है दीपक, ये क्या है, एक शॉप पे गया है पेंसिल्स और नोटबुक खरीदने के लिए. नाउ शॉपकीपर सेड द कॉस्ट ऑफ अ पेंसिल इज 5 rupees and a notebook is 32 rupees. And Deepak said, Uncle, I want to buy 2 pencils and 3 notebooks. So, what is the cost of each? Okay, we know that the cost of a pencil is 5 rupees and the cost of a notebook is 32 rupees. So, here we have to find out the cost of 2 pencils. That will be 10. As we know, 5 to the 10. So, here we have to buy 2 pencils. So, the cost of 2 pencil will be 10 rupees. Okay, now we have to find out that the cost of 3 notebook is. So the cost of 1 notebook is 32 rupees. So cost of 3 notebook will be, we will multiply it, 3 to the 6 and 3 3 the 9. So the cost of 3 notebook is 96 rupees. Okay. Now we have to find out the total amount Deepak has to pay to the shopkeeper. Okay. So he has to pay 10 rupees for pencils and 96 rupees for notebooks. So that will be total become 106. Okay. So here teacher said, so all of you know about the money. So here we have a recap exercise that we learned in our previous classes. Here we checking our previous learning. So first question is, convert the following into paise. So here some rupees are given and we have to convert it into paise. So look at here, we have 20.15 rupees. As we know, before dot we have rupees, so we can write 20 rupees. And after that, or after the dot, we have paise, so it will become 50 paise. Okay, so we have to convert it into paise. As we know, 1 rupee equals to 100 paise, so we will multiply 20 by 100. So here we get 20 multiplied by 100, and here 15 paise we already have, so we will write it as 15 paise. Okay, so after multiplying 20 into 100, so we get 2000 paise plus 15 paise. That will become 2015 paise. Okay, so 20 rupees 15 पैसे को अगर हम पैसे में कन्वर्ट करते हैं तो दैट विल बिकम 2050 पैसे. Okay, so here when I solve for you and the rest of the parts you will try to solve by yourself. Now we have to convert the following into rupees. Now we have to convert these paise into rupees. So let's see here. First one is 4856 paise. Okay, and we have to convert it into rupees. So for that we have two ways. First, we know that the quantity or the places for paise we have two places. So this one, and the rest of the part is showing to rupees. So we can write here 48 rupees 56 paise. That will become 48.56 rupees. Okay. In this manner we can do this, or the another method is 4856 पैसे को हम कन्वर्ट करेंगे किस में, रुपीज में. सो फॉर दैट वी नो दैट 1 rupee equals to 100 पैसे. So 100 paise will be 1 rupee. So we will divide it by 100. So after dividing it by 100, so what we get here? We learned that about decimal in the previous chapter. So here we have two zeros. So we put decimal after 2 digits. So it will become 48.56. So here before, these are the two methods that I solved for this question, and you can do by yourself whatever you like. Okay. Next we will move to the next question here. Here we have some objects and their cost, and here we have money, and we have to match these objects to the money. Okay. So let's see here. Here the cost of notebook is 185 rupees, and here we have to find out the money that will equals to 185 rupees. So here we have 100, then 50, so 150, 20 is 170, 10, 180, and 5, that will become 185. So we will match this notebook to the third one. Okay. In this manner you have to count the money, and then you will easily match the following. Okay. Now we will learn about the currency. So what is currency? Here teacher asked to the students, children, what is Indian currency? Then चेतना रिप्लाइड रुपीज एंड पैसे. मैम, टीचर पूछती है कि आपको पता है इंडिया की करेंसी क्या है? तो चेतना बोलते हैं मैम, रुपीज और पैसे जो हैं वो इंडियन की करेंसी है. देन टीचर रिप्लाइड yes, and it is available in the form of coins and notes as we seen here. So Indian currency will be in notes and coins. Okay. So here, do you know what denomination of coins are available at present? Then Chetna replied, ma'am, at present the coins are available in the denomination of 1 rupee, 2 rupee, 5 rupees, 10 rupees and 20 rupees. ठीक है. तो यहाँ पर टीचर ने बोला कि तुम बता सकते हो कि जो अभी एट प्रेजेंट में कॉइन्स यूज हो रहे हैं वो कौन कौन से यूज हो रहे हैं. तो चेतना बोलती है यस मैम, हम जो कॉइन यूज करते हैं 1 रुपी का, 2 रुपीज, 5 रुपीज, 10 रुपीज एंड 20 रुपीज के कॉइन यूज करते हैं. देन टीचर आस्क, एंड व्हाट आर द डेनोमिनेशन ऑफ नोट्स अवेलेबल? और नोट्स कौन कौन से अवेलेबल है वो बताना है. सो चेतना रिप्लाइड, नोट्स ऑफ 5 रुपीज, 10 rupees, 20 rupees, 50 rupees, 100 rupees, 200 rupees and 500 rupees are available. Okay. तो चेतना बोलती है कि मैम जो हम नोट्स यूज कर रहे हैं वो 5, 10, 20, 100, 500 इनका और 200, ये जो नोट्स हैं वो यूज किए जाते हैं एट प्रेजेंट. देन टीचर सेड, वेरी गुड गीतिका, वी ऑल्सो नो दैट 100 पैसे makes 1 rupee. So 1 rupee, or we can write by symbol rupee 1, that is equal to 100 paise. And then Gitika replied, yes ma'am. Okay. So here teacher said, the amount of money can be expressed in figures and words. Observe them carefully. Here we have table, and in this we can write or we can read amount of money in figures or words also. Okay. So here amount of money is this 16 rupees 50 paise. If we writing this amount in figures, so it will be written as, first we use rupee symbol, then we write here 16, that is rupees. After that we use decimal or we can say dot, and then we write paise. So it will become 16.50 rupees. If we writing amount in words, so it will become 16 rupees and 50 paise. In the same manner, 72 rupees 35 paise will be written as in figure 72.35 rupees and in word 72 rupees and 35 paise. Okay, now we have 67 rupees. So we write it in figure 67.00 rupees. Okay, and in word 67 rupees. Then we have 50 rupees. So 50 rupees in figures will be written as 50.00 rupees and in words it will become 50 rupees. Okay, so in this manner we can easily write amount in figures or in words. Okay, now we have next topic. In this we learn how to convert rupees into paise. So here teacher said, now we will learn to convert rupees into paise. Observe. Now teacher said, now we will learn to convert rupees into paise. Observe these examples. And Gitika replied, okay ma'am. So here we have some examples. Let's see here. Convert 49.50 rupees into paise. So as we know, it will become 49 rupees plus 50 paise. And 1 rupee equals to 100 paise. So we will multiply 49 by 100 paise and 50 paise will be added. So after multiplying it, we get 4900 paise plus 50 paise and after adding that, it will become 4950 paise. Okay. Now we have example number 2. Convert 58.05 rupees to paise. As we know, 58 is rupees and 5 is paise. So 58 rupees को पैसे में convert करने के लिए we will multiply it by 100. So it will become 5800 paise and here we have 5 paise. After adding that we get 5805 paise. Okay. Now we are moving to the next. Here we learn the next one. In this we learn convert पैसे to rupees. अब हम सीखेंगे पैसे को rupees में कैसे convert करते हैं. So teacher said here, to convert paise into rupees, we divide by 100. Observe these examples. Then Chetna replied, okay ma'am. So here we have some example on the basis of conversion of paise into rupees. Example number 3 is convert 5623 पैसे to rupees. अब हमें पैसे दिए हुए हैं और उसे हमें किस में कन्वर्ट करना है? रुपीस में. So 5623 पैसे will become 5600 पैसे plus 23 पैसे and we will divide 5600 by 100 and add 23 paise. After that we get 56 rupees and 23 paise. So we will write it as 56.23 rupees. Now we have example number 4. Convert 7506 paise into rupees. So we know that 7506 will become 7500 paise plus 6 paise. So we will divide 7500 paise by 100. So here after dividing we get 75 rupees and 6 paise will be here. So it will become 75.06 rupees. Okay. Then teacher asked to the student, children, is it clear to you all? And then Chetna replied, yes ma'am, it is all clear. Then teacher said, okay, so do this exercise for more practice. So here we have exercise 12A in which we will do some question on the basis of our learning. So first one is 58 rupees and 20 paise. We have to write this amount into words. So 58 rupees and 20 paise. So for writing in words, this amount we can write it as 58. So we will write it in words. 58 rupees and 20 paise. Okay. So in this manner, we can write the amount in words. Okay. So here I have solved one for you, and the rest of the parts you will try to do yourself. Next we have write the following in figures. अब हमें क्या करना है? Figures में लिखना है. We know that how to write in figures. Here we have question. First, 8 rupees 50 paise. So how do we write in figures? Let's see here. First we use the symbol of rupee. Then we write rupees here. After that we put decimal or dot we can say, and then we write paise. Okay, here we have 50 paise. So it will become 8.50 rupees in figures. Okay, so you can write the amount in words as it is, and in figures this. Okay, now we have question number 3. Let's see here. Write the following amounts of money in words. अब हमें क्या करना है? Words में ही लिखना है amount of words को. Okay, so here we have 65.48 rupees. Words में लिखने के लिए हमें पता है क्या करेंगे? 65. So here we write 65 rupees and 48 paise. Okay, so in this manner we can write this figure into words also. Okay, so in this manner we can easily solve exercise 12a. In this we have to write the following amount into words only. Okay, now we have the next topic, that is addition and subtraction of money. So let's see here. Here teacher said, "Hello Chetna, addition and subtraction of money plays an important role in our daily life." And Chetna replied, "Yes ma'am." Okay, so here teacher said to add or subtract given amounts of money, proceed as follows. So step number 1 is express the given amount in figures, use dot notation. कि हमें क्या करना है? फर्स्ट जो भी हमें अमाउंट दिया हुआ है उसको हम फिगर में कन्वर्ट करेंगे, और फिगर में कन्वर्ट करने के लिए हम किसका? डॉट का यूज करेंगे, दैट इज डेसिमल. Then step number 2, arrange the given amounts in a column in such a way that all the dots fall in one column. अब हमें अरेंज करना है कॉलम्स में इन अमाउंट को इस तरीके से कि सारे जो डॉट हैं वो एक ही लाइन में आए. Then step number 3, add or subtract the amount as ordinary numbers. जैसे हम ऑर्डिनरी नंबर्स के एडिशन और सब्ट्रैक्शन करते हैं, सेम वे में हमें क्या करना है? इन अमाउंट्स को भी ऐड करना है. आफ्टर दैट इन द सम और डिफरेंस सो ऑब्टेन पुट द डॉट इन द डॉट्स कॉलम. फिर उसके बाद जो भी हमने एडिशन किया तो उससे जो सम आया, या फिर अगर हमने सब्ट्रैक्शन किया तो उससे जो डिफरेंस आया है, उसके बाद उस आंसर में हम क्या है? डॉट कॉलम में डॉट का यूज करेंगे. ओके, so here we have example number 5 on the basis of addition and subtraction of the amount. The question number 5, or we can say example number 5, is add 447.65 rupees, 94 rupees and 0.85 rupees. So in the first step we have to write in figure. It is also in figures. Now we will arrange it in the columns according to the rupees and paise, and dot will be the same as the column. Okay, so here 447.65, after arranging that we will add the columns. So here 5, 5, 10, 1 will be carry over here, 1, 6, 7, 7, 8, 15, 1 carry over here, 1, 7, 8, 8, 4, 12, 1 carry over here, so 4, 9, 13, 13 on 1, 14. 1 will be here, so 1 and 4 is 5. So we get here 542.50 rupees. This is our answer. Okay, now we have example number 6 here. Subtract 97.65 rupees from 303 rupees. अब हमें क्या करना है? 303 rupees में से 97.65 rupees को माइनस करना है. After arranging in the column, we will subtract it. Okay, so as we know 0 is less than 5, so we will regroup the number. So after regrouping, 0 will become 10 and this one will become 9 and the 3 will become 2. So 10 minus 5 is 5, 9 minus 6 is 3, dot will be here. Now 2 is less than 7, so we will again regroup it. And after regrouping, we get here 10, 3 will become 2 and 10 will become 9 and 2 will become 12. So 12 minus 7 is 5, 9 minus 9 is 0 and 2 minus 0 is 2. Okay, so this is our answer, 205.35 rupees. Okay, now we have example. Now we have example number 7. Vanshika bought a pen for 10 rupees 25 paise, a pencil for 1.50 rupees and an eraser for 2.25 rupees. अब वंशिका ने क्या किया, एक पेन खरीदा जिसकी कॉस्ट दी है, एक पेंसिल खरीदी और एक इरेजर खरीदी है. तो इनकी कॉस्ट हमें दी हुई है एंड वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट हाउ मच मनी हैज शी स्पेंड इन ऑल, कि उसने पूरे पे कितने अमाउंट खर्च किया है. So for that we will add the amount. So after arranging in the column, we can add 5 and 5 will be 10. 1 carry over here, 1 and 2 is 3, 3, 5, 8, 8 to 10. 1 will be here, 1, 1, 2, 2, 2, 4 and 1 is here. So we get here 14 rupees. So we can say Vanshika spent 14 rupees on these items. Okay. Now teacher asked to the student, children, it is clear to you all, then do this exercise for more practice. Here Chetna replied, yes ma'am, it is all clear. Okay, so on the basis of our learning, here we have exercise 12b. In this we have to find the sum of the following in question number 1. And the first one is our addition sum that will arrange in column also. So here 8, 5, 13, 13 and 3 is 16. So 6 will be here, 1 carry over here, 1, 5, 6, 6, 2, 8, 8, 1, 9. Okay, and dot columns we have to put dot here. Okay, now 7, 8, 15, 15 and 6 is 21. 1 will be here, 2 will be here. 2, 5, 7, 7, 2, 9, 9, 3, 12. 1 carry over here, then 3, 1, 4, 4, 2, 6. So here we have the answer 621 rupees and 96 paise. Okay, so in this manner you can also add these rest of the part of this question. Okay, now we will move to the next question. Here we have question number 2. In this, we have to find out the difference of the following. For finding difference, we know that we have to subtract the numbers. So here 9 minus 2 will be 7. As we know, 3 is less than 6, so we will regroup it. So after regrouping, 3 will become 13 and 8 will become 7. Okay, so 13 minus 6 will be 7. Dot will be here in the dot column. Now we know 7 is less than 9. Here, if we are moving to the regrouping it, so here we have 0, that is less than 2, and here we have 4. So 4 will become 3, 0 will become 9, and 7 will become 17 after regrouping it. 17 minus 9 will be 8, and 9 minus 2 is 7, and after that 3 minus 1 is 2. So the number, or we can say the difference, is 278 rupees and 77 paise. Okay, so this is our question number 2. In this we have to find out the difference of the following questions. Okay, so you have to try to solve these rest of the part of this question. Now we have some word problems. Let's see here. So question number 3 is, Vaishnavi has 905.25 rupees in her money bank. She saved 20.50 rupees and 25.75 rupees over the next 2 weeks. And how much money does she have now? अब हमें बताना है कि उसके पास अब कितनी मनी है. So यहाँ दिया है कि वैष्णवी के पास उसके मनी बैंक में पहले 905.25 रुपीस थे. फिर जो उसकी वीकली सेविंग है उसमें फर्स्ट वीक में वो सेव करती है 20 रुपीज 50 पैसे एंड इन द सेकेंड वीक वो सेव करती है 25 रुपीज 75 पैसे. So we have to find out now the money she has. Okay, so first we write she has money or amount in money bank. So what is the amount? 905 rupees 25 paise. Okay, now we will write saving in first week. So her saving in first week, so her saving in first week is 20.50 rupees. So here we write 20.50 rupees. Okay, and we will write now her saving in second week. So second week में कितना save कर रही है? Second week. For second week, she has 25 rupees 75 paise. Okay. Now what we have to do? We have to find out the total money she has now. Okay. So here we write total money will be. For that we will add all the amounts. And first we will arrange it in column. So we arrange rupees column and then paise column. Okay, and point column also. Okay, now we have 905 rupees dot and after that 25 paise. Then we have 20 rupees dot 50 paise. Okay, and after that we have saving of second week is 25 rupees dot 75 paise. Okay, for finding the total amount we know that we have to add the numbers. So after adding that we get here 5 and 5 will be 10. 1 carry over here, 1 and 2, 3, 3, 5, 8, 8, 7, 15. 1 carry over here, dot will be here. 5, 1, 6, 6, 5, 11. 1 carry over here, 1, 2, 3, 3 and 2, 5, 9 will be here. Okay, so we can write here, she has 951.50 rupees now. ओके अब उसके पास कितने रुपीज हैं 951.50 rupees. Okay, in this manner we can also solve word problems. First we arrange the statement, after that we arrange the amount in columns and we will add or subtract as per the given question. Okay, so here we have question number 4 and 5 also that you will try by yourself. Okay.